In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the rear leveling kit for this Chevy Silverado. Let's get into it. Underneath the differential, I'm just going to use a pull jack to support the differential, take a little bit of tension off the springs. Using a 21mm socket, we're going to take all the U-bolt nuts off. I'm going to heat these up so it's easier to remove them. I'm just going to use an induction heater. This works a little better than a torch. There we go, it's starting to heat up. A little less than 30 seconds. It comes right off. Now I'm going to do the same on the other ones. A little less than 30 seconds. Now we can take this plate out. If it's stuck on there, just use a hammer. Take that off. Get it off the U-bolts. And take the U-bolts out. Those off. You need to throw these away. They're not reusable. Now I'm just lowering the differential down slightly, and you want to make sure that you only do one side at a time. That way it'll keep the differential from moving too far forward or backwards. Now I need to lower the differential down lower so that I can get that out. I'm going to use a 21mm wrench and 21mm socket. Take the lower shock bolt out. That bolt out. Then you can lower this down even further. You can see it separating. And just take a hammer, give it a tap, remove the old plate. Now we're going to put this new spacer in where the old one was. And you can see where this part is thicker than the smaller part. And the smaller part is going to go towards the front of the vehicle. So I have the thicker part towards the back. You can slide this in place. If you need to, you can use a pry bar. You can also lower the axle down a little more if you need to. Just pry this in place. And line the pins up, pin on the bottom. Just watch your fingers. You don't want to get stuck in there. There we go. That's lined up. I'll put the U-bolts on. And take this plate, line this up through the U-bolts. Take the nuts and the washers, get the washers started first, then the nut. Do the same for the rest of them. And we're just going to snug these up. We're not going to tighten them down all the way. We'll torque them in the end. But you want them all even. Now we can raise this up, put the shock bolt in. The nut on. Snug that down. And we're going to torque this bolt to 85 foot-pounds. Now we can lower the suspension. Now we want to torque down the U-bolts, make sure they look as even as possible, and we're going to tighten these, and we're going to torque these to 74 foot-pounds in a cross pattern. Then after that, you want to get a torque angle meter and tighten them an additional 180 degrees. If you don't have one, do the best you can.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.